understand, you know, you gotta do what you have to do.
But
Just be glad that you're not closed down.
oh, I'm very glad. Trust me. Every day I'm glad.
Well, yeah, you at least have something to keep you busy.
Well, that, yeah. I think
Keep you from going cuckoo.
yeah. I think that during the whole month of April, I saw between 2 and 6 patients a day. So we're open, we're not very busy, right, still yet, but
That's okay.
yeah, starting to get a little bit busier. What are you doing to keep yourself sane at home?
Huh. Watch TV.
What are you watching?
Walker, Texas Ranger,
Okay.
mostly.
All right. Were you a big fan the first time it was on?
Yeah. Well, I like Chuck Norris.
Yeah. I don't know, does he use any martial arts in Walker, Texas Ranger, or just guns?
There's martial arts.
Okay.
If someone decides to be stupid,
Yeah, I don't think I've actually ever watched that show. Maybe once.
it was on for a while before I started watching it.
So now you're going back and watching all the early ones you missed?
Oh, I haven't missed any. I think I've seen just about every one. Numerous times.
Yeah, we all have those shows that within 10 seconds of the credits, you know which one it is. Right?
Yep.
Growing up, for me, that used to be Gilligan's Island. Within 10 seconds of the theme song, you already knew which one it was.
I used to watch Gilligan's Island quite a bit. I'm sitting here for crying out loud.
What do you mean?
They can't get that comfortable on a desert island.
And you know this because... Have you tried?
No,
Oh, I thought maybe you were like on
no.
Survivor or something like that.
Oh, heavens, no. I don't watch that show. I think it's stupid.
I remember when Gilligan's Island switched from black and white to color. That was
Yeah.
like the biggest deal, right?
Yeah. I mean, you stop and think about it. To be on a deserted island to begin with.
And have
Whether,
evil magicians show up and disappear? I
Yeah.
don't know.
I mean, that's the main thing right there.
Well, I don't think it was ever meant to be a
Right.
documentary.
Right.
I know. All right. Well, your feet actually look, I mean, they look good. These were probably the easiest post-quarantine nails I've done. So, thank you for letting us do the videotape.
No problem.
Where are your socks?
In my shoe. My home health aide does a pretty good job when she gives me a shower.
Yeah, it looks like she's been doing a really good job with your feet. Did I look in between? I don't think I did. Yeah, I mean, because your feet are in great shape.
Good.
And I'm assuming that even in quarantine, you're keeping your shoes and braces on? No?
Sometimes.
Okay, I mean, that's fine.
Well, the thing of it is, that apartment is so the way it's built, it's so hard to get around with a walker.
Okay.
I just don't use the walker when I'm at home.
Alright, let's see. Alright, anything bothering you in particular? Okay. So I'm just gonna trim off some little bits and then I'll just smooth them all out with an emery board.
Okay.
So, you've been watching a lot of TV, I hear, huh?
Yeah. I'm sure glad I have them.
The TV?
That we're married.
Yeah?
Yeah, 'cause it's a great company.
Yeah, I was gonna say it would be awfully lonely
Yeah.
quarantining alone, huh?
Yeah. You get to work, so.
Right, I have not been able to complain about being stuck at home for too long yet.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Sorry about that.
You want signature?
On your way out, we will. We'll have you sign a release.
Oh, okay. Just.
Have you taken up any new hobbies or anything since you've been home?
No, I'm doing a lot of sleeping.
A lot of sleeping? Catching up?
Yeah. Getting used to another human being is hard work.
I'm sure it is.
Yeah.
And what are your ages?
He's 3 years younger than me. So. I'm 73 and he's 70.
And you got married at the ages of 72 and 69?
Yeah.
Well, that is a huge adjustment.
Yeah.
So what kind of stuff are you watching on TV?
Cardboard western stuff and yeah, stuff like that.
Oh, that's right. Texas Ranger.
Yes, yes.
Chuck Norris.
Mm-hmm. And all the old shows.
Gunsmoke and
Yeah.
I used to love all those when I was really little because I was a horse fanatic.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
And I was so jealous that they got to ride horses everywhere they went.
yeah. Do you have any horses now?
I did a while ago. I do not anymore.
Okay.
She passed away, unfortunately.
Mm.
So nobody cut these since the last time I saw you?
Mm-mm. They didn't grow much, did they?
They didn't grow all that much, no. That's okay. So I think we're going, what, 2.5 months?
Yeah.
Okay.
This big one right here, I'm afraid. Well, that's the one I grew,
Yeah.
and that's it.
Well, they all grew. They just didn't grow a lot.
No, I cut these nails more than, my hand nails more than
Yeah, and usually fingernails grow faster.
Mm-hmm.
Way faster.
Mm-hmm.
right, well, thank you for letting us do the video.
No problem.
Okay, and you're not wearing socks today, right?
No.
Okay. All right, well, thank you.
Mm-hmm.